just making a super easy family dinner tonight. I'm coming in with my pulled chicken on top of my cooked spaghetti noodles. We have got some green bell peppers here, our Southwest style corn, a little bit of that crotel, some black olives. Now this chicken is a little bit more seasoned, but it's gonna all come together. You're gonna have lots of flavor in every bite. Doesn't matter if it is this seasoned chicken or the slightly less seasoned pulled chicken. Everyone is gonna love this. Alrighty y'all, Fiesta blend. Mexican style cheese. We're just gonna add this in here. Now I know some people say they don't like cheese in their meals. I'm not one of them. I've also got some fire roasted and peeled green chilies here. These are just, you know, a mild to medium heat, but you can use whatever kind you like. Now I'm just uncovering my cans. Now we did use cream of mushroom. Cream of chicken would be great too. We just didn't have it. Oh, this one's cream of chicken. I lied. All right, I've got some garlic powder. Good for the flavor, good for the heart. Yummy. A little bit of onion powder here. You can dice up some onions and put it in here. Sometimes we just like to use the powder. Touch of cumin powder. It's gonna give it a nice flavor. Just a little bit of that chili powder. Look at this, y'all. This is how you flavor up some affordable ingredients. Real nice. Your family is going to love this. And we're gonna top this with some black pepper. Now, spaghetti, pretty affordable ingredient. A bell pepper, a can of corn, a can of olives, a can of green chilies. Some of this I just had as staples in my pantry. And it just lets you feed a group in a real easy way. All right, now we've got our chicken broth here, low sodium. I can hear the grill sizzling. Oh, there we go. That's it. We just want to use a decent amount of this to blend in with those soups. All right, coming in with my Hobbibichi flippers here. We're gonna give this a good mix. Now y'all, this is so great. Perfect, you know, if you're hosting a PTA meeting, if you need something big and cost effective to take to church, if you've got, you know, your kids' sports team meet and everyone is coming over for a carbo load the night before, this is just the easiest, simplest recipe you could make with pantry staples, and maybe the only thing you'd have to get if you didn't have it was the chicken. The rest of this, I bet you've got it in your pantry and in your fridge. All right, now that we got this smooth to an even layer, I'm gonna be adding a little bit more cheese on top. Now I had some leftover mozzarella, and so I am just gonna give this a sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle. There we go. Ooh, might have to break up some of these bigger clumps. But y'all, this is the fun thing about this, is like, look at, we are using what we have. We are saving money. We are not spending any money to make this unless you didn't have the pulled chicken. Maybe some of you have chickens in your backyard. I don't, so I did have to buy the pulled chicken, but everything else I had at home. I had just a little bit of this leftover Chihuahua cheese, and so I'm gonna sprinkle this in. This one's really good for quesadillas, but it's got a great meltiness to it. And so this is gonna go perfect on here. Y'all, look at this. Look at this. I'm cleaning out my cheese drawer today. And we're gonna top it off with the rest of our little Fiesta blend. Like I said, we're cleaning out the cheese drawer. You know, some people don't like cheese. I get it. If you're lactose intolerante, then you might not like it. But I honestly love it. I feel like it's extra protein. The cheese helps me feel fuller longer with all those delicious fats and proteins. And I'm just saying, y'all, all we are saying is give cheese a try. All right, we're just gonna close the lid on our Hobbibichi here. We're gonna let this just go for about 5 to 10 minutes. Alrighty guys, look at this. It looks delicious. our Mexican chicken spaghetti. Affordable, easy way to feed a group. Oh, that cheese, baby. And all that cheese. You know what I'm talking about, Andrew?
Oh, I love Chicago.
Me too. Chicago pizza, Chicago chicken, Mexican spaghetti. Ooh, you guys, look at that. Yum. Oh my gosh. And I'm so sorry if you don't like cheese, just leave it off. Maybe do a nice butter sauce or just an olive oil if you're lactose intolerant. Oh yeah. Ooh, delicious. Delicious. Easy way to feed a group. So easy. So good. You gotta try it.